So I probably should have done this from the start, but this is so cool, I've just got to do a video. So this model on Maker World, I'll leave a link in the comment, but it's like a skeleton Lego man. So I'm doing it for the kids, obviously, not me. And it just all slots in so nice, just a couple of the bits. One actually on the A1, a bit of an imperfection there. I don't know if you can see. The corners come off, so that doesn't fit in there, so I'm going to have to glue that on. Well, actually, I'll reprint that. I want it to look good. But everything else, apart from a few bits, just slots in and sticks in. It's like perfection. Great design by this guy. So I had to share it, and obviously I'll show you the final result in a bit when it finishes printing. Yeah. So I'm doing this mix on the X1 carbon and a mix on the A1. So all the black stuff on the X1, all the white stuff was done on here. So I've done all the white. Sorry, that one's kicking off, as in starting. But you can see, actually, I do think the quality is much better on the X1 carbon. Now, maybe it's because it's black and it sort of hides the imperfections. But if you look at the white on here, you can see it's not quite as nice. It's not awful, don't get me wrong. I mean, those bits aren't great, but I think that was actually designed that way for friction when you slide into the thing. So actually that makes sense, so that's good. But yeah, I do feel like this is a better print, but it could just be the black and white thing, so the black hides the imperfections a bit more. But also, AMS, this is like keeping the filament dry, so it's drier, but then when you've got the filament just on the roll here, or even if you add it on the AMS light, which I'm going to mount under here. If you saw an earlier video, I didn't have these shelves, I've just put them up now. But yeah, when the filament's out, it's obviously exposed, and like 67% in here, 14% in here, it's quite a difference. So I wonder if that's the difference. It's interesting. I'll do some more tests with it over time, but just early days comparison, because I only started printing on this last couple of days when I got it. Still freaking love it though. Great bit of kit. Just making a little poop bucket here now to go on the side. Yeah, A1 Mini's going to print some ghosts, get ready for Halloween. And then this is doing the body part of this Halloween Lego man there. And I've just got the head to go then. And reprint that bit obviously. Right, I'll cut back when I've got a bit more to show you. So after saying about the lines on this one, when I compared it, did another print as I needed a little poop thing. It's not bad, it's not bad. Bit of a layer shift, but I'm not bothered for this one. If that was something else, I might be there. Good quality print, and then that should fit in there nicely. If I move that one up, there we are. These nice little grooves hold it in place, so that's good. Quite pleased with that. And then the old Lego man is coming along. This bit's finished. I've just got the head and a few other bits to do then. I'll cut back again in a minute. Okay, so it's done. I've made this here. But this amazing Lego skeleton is done. Look at it, fantastic. The black is just like so good. I probably could have adjusted the layers on here a bit, made the quality a bit better, but actually I really like the look anyway. These Lego guys are blocky anyway, so I think it just fits. And he stands up, or we can sit down. I would say like 99% of these just clip in. It's fantastic, don't need any glue. I had to glue a couple of things like this around here, the eyes. But it's amazing. Such good thing, such good work, such good quality. And you can see a little bit of stringing in a few places, like underneath. I don't know if you can see it well in this light, underneath here. I think I'd probably do some support work really. You can see it, there's a bit there, like, so the supports obviously weren't that good for that region. Probably won't pull that away because I don't think there's actually that much material there because of that. But other than that, this thing has come out fantastic. Now, all the black done on the X1 carbon, all the white done on here. And if you look, it's really good, the quality on both. Now I think the black looks better, but I think that's just because it's black. And I did have a few mistakes with the white, so like that bit just didn't take when it printed, and I was going to redo it, but I thought part of the beauty of this is the imperfection, so it reminds you of the journey and you know what works, what doesn't. Excuse the rather full filament or bin or poop bin, whatever you want to call it. But anyway, summarise, I don't think it matters which printer you've got. I think you'll get great quality on either. I would probably slow it down a little bit on here, and hopefully that would help with some of those bits that didn't take, because it is a bed slinger after all, so it is a lot of movement, but it's quite a shallow piece, so I'm not sure. Maybe it was just a bit of bad luck. Anyway, super happy. I'll leave the link to this model in the description.